So tonight we are hosting our second annual Porsche Place event with our Mavericks women's group, Women Behind the Wheel.
So we're a group of women in our Maverick Porsche region that have formed to have a bond with all the women in our group so that we can learn more about our cars and feel comfortable in our cars.
And we are taking them through a tech session of 4 different categories. We gathered a bunch of questions that they had sent in, things that they really want to know more details on about their vehicle.
I literally learned tonight that when you program your seat, whatever the AC is set to, it also saves all of that. Had no clue.
Number 1 was about the oil change. I know that it's every 10,000 miles, but recently I heard don't wait till 10,000, do it like at 8. So I addressed that with our tech, and they said, no, you're good at 10,000 miles with the Porsche.
Yes. The tire stuff is huge because it's 20 degrees outside.
Yeah.
And so she was talking about the, plus and minuses of the tire pressure and how to look at that menu. So now I want to go home and go look at that menu right now. Yeah.
We have been talking that we need to read the manual and not doing it, so this was really helpful.
Holding the title as service manager as a female in a male-dominant industry, the one word that comes to mind is empowerment. I thoroughly enjoy coming to work every single day and giving everyone, but of course women, the confidence to just be behind the wheel and really go beyond that, learning exactly what their automobile is capable of, taking it to the limits, taking them to the limits.
Check the website and we'll see you at the next event.